Hi guys, long time no see, and today I'm not going to sell you any products, but I'm going to share with you guys my favorite product for so far, because it's already December. Then I think that I should share with you guys what's my favorite, and Christmas is coming soon as well, so maybe you have from this video you will find out something that you can buy for your friends or family or for yourself. You're gonna love yourself. Buy present for yourself is also okay. So no need to worry like, oh, Christmas coming so I have no gifts as well. Buy for yourself lah. Simple. This is my favorite product for cleansing, for face cleansing. So this one is from Handmade by Dalicious. Trust me, this is really nice. If you watch back like my previous video about this Handmade by Dalicious, you will love this, man. So this is the Gingko face wash. Go and buy for yourself, for your friend, or anyone who also can use one, because this is natural ingredients. And the best thing of this product is made by extra virgin olive oil, Gingko extract, tea tree oil, and essential oil. If you know those oil thing, this is good. Not the cooking oil lah, not cooking oil. So this oil make your skin much more better. So go and buy from them. I'm not promoting or what, but I'm telling you, sharing you with you guys that all this product is from me. So what's your product? Share with me. So at least you don't feel that I'm promoting. We are sharing. Alright, so another one is also from Handmade by Dalicious. So this is face oil. So I apply this face oil after my daily routine, like after I double cleansing, and then I'm gonna apply toner, and I'm gonna apply this face oil. So what I love about this face oil, although the name is face oil, but it doesn't make your face oily. So that's the best thing about it. Not oily, really not oily. Okay, so buy from them, use for night, and make your face. I don't want to keep on mentioning lah. I don't simply use products that make me feel bad. So if bad thing, I don't want to promote, or I don't want to talk about it, because every day we're talking, we're actually promoting lah. So don't call me as a promoter, because you imagine lah, like not imagine, like your daily life, when people ask you where to eat, you will say which one. So you're also promoting for them what. So this one is sharing, is caring, no selling, no selling, no selling. So another one is this Mary Kay CC cream. So if you are the type of person you need to make up, but you don't want so thick makeup, or like, oh, I'm not going to chong tai hey. But anyway, this one tube 搞定, one piece size then 搞定. So you can cover up, and then the best thing is for me, this one can tahan for, I'm so sorry, this one can last for the whole day. So how I maintain the makeup is to apply this CC cream, and I apply we call that setting powder, and you see I didn't touch up also, you know. So this is something which I think that you guys should have if you are a girl or guy. You also can use this. So she loves pink color. So Mary Kay CC cream, send it to your friends or yourself also okay. So another of my favorite product is from Peripera. Peripera's, I cannot remember, but it's like this tube. So this tube makes my lips sexy. I know I really look sexy, but don't like that lah. So this is the trick. Use something that makes you sexy, although I don't look sexy huh? Alright, so this thing, they call it in Gelato. Excuse me. So in Gelato, I don't know if you can see the color or not. Yeah, so this is my favorite color, and you can also choose yours, but so far I like this product because it doesn't make your lips like watery, which I don't really like it, and it's natural. I know when you put this one not natural already, but still the color is natural. This is what I like. So from Peripera's in Gelato, I don't call it but lips thing lah. So another thing that I recently found out, and I kind of like, I cannot, when every time when I go for shopping and so on, I will look for this thing. So this is BeFine. It's a mulberry yogurt drink, probiotic. So before I buy this again, I already tried few This one is I already opened one. You see, I already opened it. This one not yet, so it's new. So I came back for this product because it's nice and it depends on individual if you feel this sweet or not. Thank you, Circle. Yeah, Circle. And this one you can buy, if I'm not mistaken, it's a 2 ringgit something only. So buy for yourself lah. And it contains probiotic. Yeah, Circle. Okay. She loves Circle. She's learning and yeah, long time. So another one now I'm going to share with you guys this JeanC. If I'm not mistaken, it's JeanC lah. JeanC or Jing. They don't really tell like how to pronounce the name, but I call it JeanC.my. So this one is a 30 days hydrolyzed collagen drink. And when I Googled, this is the cheapest collagen drink you can find in the market. And don't say cheap, all of us were actually looking for something quality and cheap. This you can find. Why I recommend this one to all of you? First of all, who also can buy? Second, who also can drink? Wait. This one, if you're allergic to seafood, better don't drink. And if you're pregnant, don't drink also. Yeah, these two things. So if let's say you are allergic to seafood, then don't. I cannot responsible on this thing, and then don't find the company because they stated already. Seafood allergic one, don't drink. Pregnant also don't. Okay. But anyway, this one is they contain 3000 mg collagen, marine collagen. So you see the quality is good and cheap. I know lah, auntie sometimes we want to look for something cheap, but cheap with quality. We don't simply buy cheap thing and cannot use, because that is really sad, you know. You buy cheap so happy and excited for cheap stuff, then after that you don't know what you get. So better don't harm your little heart, you know. We only got one heart. Don't harm. So buy for something which is quality and useful. This is what auntie do. Listen to auntie, then you won't simply spend the money. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you guys how I drink. I know who also know how to drink, right? I know, but the thing I want to share to you ma. If you don't want to see how I drink this thing, you can already skip until the end, or maybe you can just shut this off lah. But anyway, I'm still gonna show you how does it taste like. I already consumed this for 1 month plus, and I wouldn't say that I changed wow, but yeah, I'm much more prettier lah. If you can see my previous photos or videos, the face really gao lah one. But anyway, not because of the makeup lah, but the makeup also works well. If you drink collagen every day for your health, and then you use CC cream, and then you use this Gelato, oh yo, you're pretty already, no need to do anything really. Oh yeah, by the way, this one you also can apply as a blusher as well. So this one can use in a lot of ways. One is for lips and one is for your blush. So if let's say you are lazy like me, this one for blush also no worries lah, can. Okay, so this is the collagen. So I'm going to book up for you all. I'm not promoting, Sherry is caring. Thank you. And this is Sherry is caring. Alright, so before we drink, please prepare yourself 150 ml of water. Important, don't drink like that. Later you choke yourself. Very dry. Okay. Okay, let's put in. Let's pour it. This sachet. Don't waste. Still got. Then you shake a bit. Nothing really. Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna shake. You don't have a shaker, it's okay. Use your cup, use your spoon, stir. Also no worries. But since I have this thing, so don't just place it in the storeroom and deliver or make some, what do you call that, the dust. So use it well. Everything around you, or if you don't use one, right, you either throw it or you use it. So yeah, use it. So this one is previously I bought one of these, what do you call that, the protein. I drink protein, but I cannot remember what's the brand. Nova. Yeah, Nova. Okay, come, let's drink. Oh yeah, by the way, it's like pinkish. So you love pink color? Not don't say I love pink, all pink. Yeah, true lah. Everything is pink color. But this is collagen, different. Itadakimasu. All the thing tastes the same. If you got drink collagen people, everything tastes the same. But the thing is, the ingredients, that quality is different. So this one, drink for 1 month, you can see the result. I don't guarantee you, but I assure you there is something changes in you, because all of us, our body work differently. Like maybe your breasts will get big, or maybe your skin look fairer, I don't know. But I think when I drink this thing, not only my skin is different, my brain also work differently. Become much more EQ, balance. Anyway, that's not the thing. Alright, so 150 ml of 3000 mg of collagen every day in 1 month, and you will be pretty like me. So if let's say you're not pretty like me, it's okay. You got your own pretty. God make you differently. God make you pretty. What you have to do is use what around you and humans' creation that God gave you. Just use it. So with this collagen, oh yeah, just now there's a card. If let's say you purchase this collagen thingy, they have this card, lucky draw, and then win 30 box of JeanC Collagen every month. And then what you have to do is follow their Instagram, Alliance JeanC Malaysia, and post your JeanC purchase on Instagram, tag at JeanC Malaysia and hashtag Collagen Malaysia, and then 10 winners will be selected on the first week of every month. So what are you waiting for? Oi, you kidding me? 3 box, you know, 3 box, you know, 3 box, or you can drink for 3 months, you know, and it's free. So you buy and then join up. If you're scared you cannot win, right? Trust me, there's a way. I heard there's this collagen god, and you buy, and then this one you tell them I want to win, and then you win. So if let's say you didn't win and using this method cannot win, don't worry. Nowadays they also got email one, and then later have. So if let's say you want to win, and then now they got email, so you just email to collagengod@god.com, and then they will reply your message. By the way, you think that it's funny, and then please share this thing. If not funny, then I'm so sorry, lor. My sense of humor is not that good. Okay, by the way, yeah, so good luck to all of you. If let's say you want to be pretty and then you want to win at the same time, buy this, join this, and then yeah, let me know if you win now. We can share. By the way, I'm not going to share with you all because I really want to be pretty. So if let's say you want to be pretty, don't forget to drink collagen. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Shouldn't drink milk already, so I'm gonna prepare for her. So bye. Love you guys. Mwah.